Hi, this is Ramu, Dean Skill Development, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. Today we are going to see new problem in the series of fan coding interview questions. Today's problem is longest substring without repeating the characters. Before going to the problem description, see the problem. Most of the companies ask this question on their interview process. Here, the namely Amazon, Microsoft, and Facebook, Adobe. Most of the top all product-based companies ask this question, their interview process. Right? Here I mentioned all the companies which frequently ask this question on their interview process. Can you concentrate on this program? The description is very simple. The description is given a string and find the length of the longest substring. But here what is the constraint? There is no repetition. Right? Let us see with an example here. Here they given the ABC, ABC, BB. Right? Here if you consider that yes, A is not repeated, AB is not repeated, ABC is not repeated. Comes to here, yes, A is repeated, right? So you should consider the string up to ABC only. From there, again from B, BCA not repeated, BCB repeated, right? And you stop the rubber. CAB not repeated, CABC again the string is repeated. Got it? So you need to take like this. See, A, AB, ABC, ABCA. This is a repeated, right? Don't consider this length. Right? Next, from there you cannot consider, but according to our combinations, you should consider ABCAB. This is also not possible. ABCABC. This is also not considered. ABC. ABCB. This is also not considered. Right? ABC. ABCBB. This is also not considered. Then you can start from, you leave that first character and you can start from the second character. Yes, B is not repeated. BC, yes, BC not repeated. And BCA is not repeated. BCAB is repeated, right? Then this is the 3, this is a 2, this is the 1. And here also you'll get a maximum is 3. Like that, you need to solve the problem. Let us see the next example. BBBB means only single character is repeated here. Got it? How to solve this problem? To solve this problem, we require a big O of incubed. When you apply the brute force method. What is the brute force method? Here we'll see the brute force method. First, I'm going to get the combinations. For example, you just consider the small string A, B, C, A. Then, what are the combinations you will get it here? A is a 1 combination, AB is a 1 combination, ABC is a 1 combination, ABCA is a 1 combination. Again, from this letter, B is a 1 combination, BC is a 1 combination, BCA is a 1 combination. Next from here, C is a 1 combination, CA is a 1 combination. Next last, C. Means, getting these combinations, you require the big O of n square. And for that each combination, you need to check whether this particular string is a unique or not. Right? For that, you need to repeat one more loop. Right? So inside you require the 1. Means big O of n square and into n. So total time complexity is big O of n cube. First, we'll solve this problem using brute force, right? This is the problem from the LeetCode, longest substring without repeating the characters, right? See, this is the problem statement. Already we have seen this example, right? First, we'll solve this problem, the time complexity of n cube means using brute force method. I'm not going to apply any technique here. I'm straightforward. I'm going to solve this problem, right? See, first I'm going to find the length of the string by default, right? So length of the string means L is equal to length of what is the string name? Yes, right? Yes. Now I'm going to form the combinations. For that, first I require to use a for I in range of L means the first iteration is happened here. Next, from here for j in range of from the next character to last character, then I should use a L plus 1, right? I'll get a substrings here. I need to check whether the particular substring is a unique or not. I need to calculate the length only when it is a unique, right? Yes or no? I need to consider the length only when it is a unique, means when it contains unique characters. So that for the simplification here, I'm going to write one small function that is a unique. So unique is a function is going to check whether the passed data is I comma j, right? I comma j, whether I comma j is a the substring is a unique or not. When it is a unique, it is going to return the true, otherwise it return the false. When it is a unique, what I need to do here? I need to take an answer is an example. Answer is 0 initially, length is, right? If, observe clearly, sorry, answer equal to, answer should be update, right? That value should be update. How should update? See, maximum of previous value or current value, right? But how will get the current value? J is minus I means the number of unique characters between the I to j, right? So that will be the maximum value. Then that's all. You just return your result. Result is there at the answer, right? But what is a unique function? See, I'm going to write that unique function inside of this code only. Simply, I'm going to write here def of unique of see, unique of what is the value? So starting, right? Starting value is I and ending value is E, right? For this code, what I need to do here? I'm going to check whether the particular element is there or not. If the element is already there, then the character is there, then repetition occur. Repetition means you need to stop the process. For the finding the whether the repetition is there or not, here I'm going to use a same mapping technique, right? For here ij already used, I k in range of I comma j, right? From I to j it will repeat. If the current element means s of k in d means s of k there in d, then what it means? The element, the character is repeated, right? That means the element, the character is already there in the map function. The dictionary. So that I will get the next, repeated next, second character. Second character means there is a repetition. Then you simply stop the process. Return false, else, right? Else. Then you need to add the particular character into the dictionary. The dictionary is D of, the element is there at the S of I, right? Sorry, S of K, because K is the element. S of K equal to, just take the empty. The value is not important here. Only here my requirement is key. Whether the key is there or not. If the key repetition is happened, simply I need to stop the process. I didn't find any repetition. Simply what I should do here? I simply return the true, right? Yes. And the true here. Then let us see. Is there any mistakes or any errors? We'll run this code and yes, is executed. And when you submit the code, the program is repeated, and yes, we got the time limit exceeded. Means this approach is not suit for the current expectations. Exactly. In the company point of view, in the product-based company's point of view also, they'll expect the much efficient algorithms from you. So that try to practice and how to solve this problem with the best time complexity. Is it possible to solve this problem in the linear time? Yes, it is possible. How? Yes, I'll show you how to solve this problem in the time complexity of big O of n. Let us take an example. Here you have a B, C, A is there. Then here you know that the window, first we can create one window here. This is the window and this is the two window, means the window part, right? From this window part, what you need to do here, you just create first you have to check that whether is there any repetitions or not. No. Then you go to here. Yes, when the repetition comes, then you change your window from here to here. Yeah, you just change your window when the repetition is happened in the given algorithm. Right? So we'll solve this problem in the same LeetCode. See, I have a length here, right? And I should use the answer as it is. Yes. Now my task is I require that two windows, right? So left equal to 0, right? And right equal to 0. Left window, the window, left pointer, right pointer, right? When my right pointer reaches left point, already I use a length L as so I just use a LE. My length is, I make it as a LE, yeah. Right pointer, when it reaches the right pointer to the length, then end of the array. Otherwise, I require one more map function here, D equal to if current character is there. I need to check whether the current character is there or not in the dictionary. If there means I need to update my left index. Otherwise, no need to updation. So what is there? S of R in D. Then I need to do the some process. What is the process? I need to update my left pointer with the current repeated value. So what is the maximum value here? Whether current value or D of the repetition is there at the right current character index or L value. Current character index or L value. I need to update that one. Got it? So if it is not there, then what I need to do here? I need to update my answer equal to max of answer or previous answer or current answer is there j minus I plus not j, right, r minus l, right pointer minus left pointer plus 1 because both values are 0. That is the reason. And some indexing problem. Now it fixed. Answer equal to max. Next, what I need to do here? I need to update my dictionary value of, what is the dictionary value? S of R equal to, I need to update my right plus 1. Right? Then see what is the output of this program. I forgot to increase the R value. Right? I should increase my R position, right? Otherwise, always that value is there at the same position. Now, if you run this code, yes. What is the time complexity now? Yes, now it is accepted. It solved the problem in 64 milliseconds. Now, if you see this program, what is the time complexity of this program? Here, I just use a single loop to find the substring, length of the substring here. Is this clear? So what is the purpose of this one? So this is used to update my left pointer when the repetition occur. Right? What I'm going to do here? Update my answer every time with the right pointer minus left pointer, because left pointer is keep on changing, right? Yes or no? When it is going to change, the left pointer changes when you will get a repeated element. Got it? When you will get repeated element, by default you need to change the data. Right? So, wait. I'm going to explain this one. here if you consider that, see, for example, you consider that A, B, C, A. If you consider the A, B, C, A, right? So when you create a dictionary, so D is the, what is the D value? So D is the empty initially, right? While, so here L value is 0 and R value is also 0. Both are zeros, right? And my LE value is, LE, what is LE? Means length. What is the length? It's a 4, right? After this, while of 0 is less than 4, condition true. When the condition true, it is going to check that S of R. S of R means this is the 0, this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3. S of 0 means A. Whether A is there and D, no, it is not there. If it is not there, what it is going to do? Answer of means it comes to here, right? It comes to here. So answer value is, initially answer value is, what is initial answer value? Answer value is 0 initially, right? So answer equal to max of answer. Max of answer value is 0. And what is R value? So R value, now R value is goes to 0 minus 0 plus 1 means 0 or 1. 0, answer value is 0 and this value is 1. 0 or 1, answer value is goes to updated with the 1. Got it? Yes. Now, next time I'm going to update D of SR of I means D of A is equal to R plus 1 means it goes to 1. Simply, I'm going to update the index plus 1 values. That's all. I'm not doing more here. Not doing anything here. I'm just updating the index where the particular character is appeared. Right? Still, my left pointer is here only. I didn't do any updation here, right? Next. Right? So for the simplification, I used one more character here. Yeah, that's okay, no problem. Next time, when it comes to here, R value is now, it goes to update 1, right? So R value is now 1. R value is 1. So 1 less than 4 is condition true. In the condition true, again S of R. S of R means S of R means S of 0. S of R means S of 1. S of 1 value is B, right? Here also I am going to take the B for your better understanding. Right? S of B. S of B is not there. B is not there in the dictionary. So that simply answer value is now max. Now answer value is 1. And what is R value? Now R value is 1. 1 minus, what is L value? Still 0. 1 minus 0, 1 plus 1. Value is 2, right? Means this value is updated with the 2, right? Now 2. Got it? Now, the next thing. Next, what I'm going to do here? R value is goes to update. What is the value? Now, what is the R value? So, R value is goes to, now R value is goes to 2. 2 less than 4 now. Right? This time, S of R. S of R means B, right? 2 value is B only, right? B in D. Now we need to update that B value, right? B value is goes to 2. Yes, B is there in the dictionary. Then the condition is true. When the condition is true, you need to update your L value. L value is 0, comma, D of SR. D of B value 2, right? Means L value is updated with 2 now. L value is updated with 2 now. Right? Now, 2 minus R value is 2 and L value is also 2. 2 minus 2, 0. answer value is 2, but 2, 1, which is the largest? 2 only, right? That is why you keep it that 2 as in your answer. And again it comes to here, D of B value is goes to now 3. Got it? Now again the R value is goes to 3, right? Means this is the sliding window like this. Now you updated your sliding window from here to here, right? Now this one is cancelled. The sliding window, you just repeated elements, you could get the repeated elements, simply consider that one. That's all. So that you will get the time complexity is big O of n. Space complexity is n. Even if you use a brute force method, for that also the space complexity is n only, because you use the dictionary there also. Yes or no? Should use the dictionary to check whether the characters are repeated or not. Then you should use the dictionary method. Got it? This is the time complexity and space complexity. A small mistake here. So the space here also n is the time complexity. We go of n. And for this here I use the idea is hash map and sliding window. Time complexity is n. We reduced drastically because n cubed. For example, n cubed means, for example, if you have 100 elements, right? If you have 100 elements, then 100 cubed means what is the value? It goes to nearly 1 million, right? Yes or no? But according to that, our statements, our input contains, this is the size of our input. So practically, it's not possible to execute such kind of large inputs for this kind of time complexities. So linear time is the best thing for this. Got it? And here I mentioned the link for this problem. Try to practice in your own, and also you have seen it's a very, very important in the product-based company's point of view. And all the problems which we are going to discuss in this series are important. The people who looking for the product-based companies. You know that the product-based company is going to offer the higher packages when you comparing the service-based companies. Got it? Thank you. Thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.